Let's make Hypnotic Techno. Let's first set the tempo to somewhat around 128 BPM and start by adding some kicks. Some closed hi-hats with swing. And some open hi-hats. Then let's add some crashes. And layer some exhausts. Then we need some high-hitting percussion. And I'll add some reverb to give it an airy vibe. And some multiband compression. Then let's make a simple and deep bass line. I'll sidechain this using a limiter. And let's add a sublayer. Let's sidechain this. And add some EQ. Guys, it's essential for Hypnotic Techno to have heavy atmospheric pads. I'll sidechain this. And add some EQ. Then let's add some airy plucks to carry out the hypnotic effect. Guys, we need some pulsating and phasing sounds to make this really hypnotic. For now I'll use this water sound sample. And to make this a misc type sound, I'll first take off the lows. The classic sound goodizer. Sequencing using camel space. And some reverb. Let's automate this. Then let's add a response to that using this lead sound. I'll link this to a mixer channel and add LFO tool to get a pulsating effect. Guys, if you enable these two, you can change the LFO rate. And it will always fit the grid. So let's automate the LFO rate to get a stuttering and blasting effect. Then I'll add some soft impacts. and a hard synth like this. I'll reverse the impact at the 4th bar like this. Let's repeat these 16 bars. And let's add some claps. Now some arps. As before, I'll add LFO tool. Since the drop is now done, let's move on to the intro and the build-up. Let's add the kicks, the closed hi-hats, the pads, and the open hi-hats after 8 bars. I'll add the crashes to transition into the build-up. And at the build-up, I'll add the percussion and the water sample from the drop. Let's add a clear riser. And a clap before the drop hits. I'll add some reverb to it. And some delay. Now I'll copy the entire track and paste it behind the drop, and do some minor changes to differentiate it from the first part of the track. So guys, our track is now done. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel, and let's see our final result.